Thank you viewers for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make halim. Halim is mixed of plantains and meat. So you can see I'm using three different kinds of plantains. First one, you can see the red plantains, and then this is like half chickpea. You'll get it in Indian, Bangladeshi or Pakistani store. And then this is called moong dal or moong plantains. You'll get it also in Bangladeshi, Pakistani or Indian stores. So here you can see I chopped it into cube shape, tiny. It's not. Let me show you. This is how I chopped it. So it's pretty much like a square. It's not very small. You can use these are chicken, but you can use beef. You can use lamb. You can use like turkey too. So anything is fine. But make sure you are not chopping it. You have to make it boneless. Otherwise, some people like it with bones, but I prefer it without bones. Okay, these are the spices we're gonna use today for halim. You can see from here. Let me show you. And here you can see cinnamon. You can use cinnamon powder. You can use also cinnamon powder like this. You can use garlic paste, but I'm using garlic powder. It's pretty much the same thing. Then here turmeric, red chili pepper, cumin powder, bay leaf. One or two is fine. One big is fine. And you can see ginger. You can make ginger paste. I just chopped it. And these are black peppers. So these are what I'm going to use it. And here you can see onions. I'll show you step by step. In the first step, you need to fry the onion to make it brown color in soybean oil, but you can use ghee as well. But since soybean oil is healthier, I prefer soybean oil. I poured the chicken with salt after like 5 minutes for the spices to be ready. So now I'm keeping it for about like 10 minutes in medium heat. But remember, if it is beef, you might have to keep a little longer because beef and mutton takes a little longer to be ready. Now that the chicken is ready, it's time to pour the lentils. But make sure you soak the lentils for 1 hour. And when you wash it, you can wash it together. You don't have to wash it like separately. Probably you know that you can use oatmeal instead of wheat, or you can use wheat instead of lentils. But these are what I like, I prefer, and these are very tasty too. So you put them together and make sure you stir them well, really well. And the next step will be the almost last step, that is to pour 1 liter of water and keep it for a long time, about an hour or hour and a half, depending on how many and what kind of heat you are putting. Wow, it looks really gorgeous. Okay. So after 5 or 10 minutes, it looks really gorgeous, and now is the time to pour water. Around about 1 liter of water I'm going to add it, or 5 cups of water, and I'm going to let it cook for 1 hour in slow heat. You can see halim is almost ready. Now let me tell you to break the big lentils and then to mix up the chicken very well. You can take a big spoon and then you can smash it really good at the back of the spoon. There are some halim mix. You can take one of those, or you can just use one of the big spoons and then make sure the lentils and the meat gets mixed up really well. Almost ready. As you can see, halim is ready to serve, and I put some fried onions, then cucumber, then tomato and chopped onions. And please make sure that you have it with lemon, freshly squeezed lemon. It's gonna taste really good with it. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.